and also what is a directory, and the file is located within inside of that directory. Okay, all well and good. So if this is correct, then what we want to do is potentially include this file. Okay, so just include and whoops, path dot file name. Okay, obviously with then the / in it. Okay, so we know it's there. Now if it's not, and with inside here I want to return true, okay, because I want the function to actually do something and return true if it has done something. Alright, now if it doesn't, then we're going to say return false. Alright, so it's going to get to here and it's going to return false. We're going to remove this is a directory because we don't need it. So anything now we send in, it's basically going to check if the directory exists, if the file exists. If it does, it's going to include that file, and it's also going to return true. If it doesn't, it's going to drop down to the bottom and it's going to return false. So this means now we can come to our index.php, okay, and simply test for one thing. We can still remove if this is set and simply say if gets page, come here once again and say includes, and then we can say oops, gets page. Alright, now what did we just type in there? Yeah, that's okay, file name, it's fine. Okay, and what we're going to make the assumption here is that it's .php as well. Alright, so we're just gonna test if there's a PHP file there. Now what we could also do is rather than say look, this is a PHP file, because it might be maybe an HTML file, or it could be a PHP file. So rather than say if the file exists with the file name, well actually that needs to be here .php as well. Right, so we're checking if this file exists, which is the PHP file, which is fine. We can include this, right, and return true. Well, why don't we we leave that. Why don't we just then copy this, okay, and we'll do another test.